Okay, AUD, USD, something I drew um, some other time. Uh, it's beautiful. Little drop down, stutter step here, came back, kissed 382 a couple times, went down even further. Um, Curious to see actually the extended version. Do something like this. Sometimes I draw right over top, and I know people are probably gonna hit me in the comment section like, "Oh, well, you don't have to do that." Well, I'm gonna do it. This is how I want to do it. No disrespect to how you're doing it, but this is what I'm comfortable doing. So this is the 212 level. Uh, there we go. Yeah, 272. I always get that screwed up. 272 level. We're kind of resting there. Um, we might go ahead and go down to 414. We might bounce higher. Obviously, something's going to happen. I don't know what. But we're going to watch this. So on the 4 hour, we're just kind of coasting on top of it or near it. 1 hour, kind of see the same thing. Um, I don't know. We might turn around here. I'm going to watch this. I don't know if there's a trade there, but I feel like I should watch it. Um, Not really feeling this one. Not very trendy. Was trendy at one point, then went kind of sideways here. Uh, it's a mess. 4 hour, 1 hour charts. Not watching that. AUDJPY. Saw this one. This is a beautiful trade right here. If only I could have. Beautiful trade right there. Damn. We got pivot. We got trend line from the daily. There's a lot going on there. Drop down. That one deserved a sound effect. I had to give you a sound effect on that one. Very, very nice. Um, and that's trading right into the 4 hour, which is hella risky. But where we're at right now, kind of eh, no man's landish. Maybe have a pullback and go down further. Uh, I'll consider it, maybe. This one almost immediately said hell no. It's just not interesting to me. It is going down. It's just not like trending downwards. It's just kind of rolling over downwards. Um, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. I like stair steps. I don't know. I'm weird. I like what I like. Um, yeah, I can't really tell what's going to happen here because it's like could be forming a double bottom here. Could be rolling over. That's why I don't like these rollovers. Roll over. This is kind of like sideways, but it rolled over again. Now it's not sideways. It's just lower, but it didn't really like stair step. It all happened in one bar. I think that's what it is. I think that's why I don't like these rollover looks. It's because it goes sideways and then it just drops like crazy or it goes up like crazy. Either or, but it's all one bar that's getting a lot of that movement. It's hard for me to tell. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. AUDCAD. Um, hmm, Looks a lot like the previous one. CHF. What's the difference? Nah, not really feeling that. I wonder what oil looks like. Daily standpoint. It's about 10 points lower in 2018. Interesting. Silver. I need to buy some more silver. Gold is definitely doing pretty well. Interesting. All right, cool. Gold silver ratio. Anyways, that's all I got, guys. Just playing around now. But yeah, AUD, AUDS, USD, and JPY. I'll be watching. All right. And that's the heavy lifting for the week for me. That's like my weekly watch list. I do all that so that I can give you this and only look at that for the rest of the week, which is doable for me. All right, peace.